What? That was stuck on my finger.
Tell me you're gonna grab it with that hand now.
No, I'm gonna keep this finger off.
No. No, wash your hands. Making an Oreo mud pie. We got Oreos, whipped topping, and root beer. And then we're gonna be scooping the cream from out the middle, put it in this bowl, and then Riley's gonna be holding it open. And then we're gonna be putting the
chocolate cracker.
Whatever, chocolate cracker, and then he's gonna zip it up, and then me and Sky are gonna smash it. Okay, let's start. Okay, get one. Break it open, y'all.
Go one too.
Go. Yeah. Spoon.
What?
Spoon. I don't know how to do this. This tastes weird.
Cause that's yellow stuff in there.
Okay. I can't get it off. Oh my gosh. Sorry, come on. I don't know.
You're just gonna concentrate. The pie is eat Oreo. No. No, we're not gonna have to be doing that. Then just scoop it off.
So guys, we're having technical difficulties.
People go to eat. Gross. You know we're gonna eat that, right, Riley?
How many do we need? Like the whole bag? Like the whole thing?
No, we don't, Riley. We're gonna use it for the pie. What? That was stuck on my finger.
Tell me you're gonna grab it with that hand now.
No, I'm gonna keep this finger off.
No. No, wash your hands. You're weird.
I was gonna use the oil like this. Hey,
Keep
is
it
this
just
one
like
that
that,
is?
like a-
Give me. Give me.
I am hurrying up. You're moving too slow. Let him know it's the last cookie. Alright guys, she finally okay, y'all, she finally reached the last cookie.
I like that one. Can you stop tugging on me?
Buckets.
Bucket.
My hands are not ready for some more dirty work. Okay guys, we're finally done. Guys, this is bad news. We have 2 more, but let's just have some fun.
Leave it
Here
alone.
you go.
We just scooped them out. When we scoop it out with our mouths, looking. You can.
Alright guys. Okay, so guys, now we're gonna soil it. Basically, we're just gonna pour this, just this, around, and then get to the middle. This is
root beer, but it's
yeah,
not.
root beer.
But it's for kids.
Okay, pour it, soil it, Kata. Around. You just like missed all of it here. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, that looks good. Up to that limit of that line.
That's good enough. Okay, so now we're gonna do just like this. And then all in the middle.
With the YouTubers of the cosmos.
2 more.
With the YouTubers of the cosmos. Do you say, mommy?
Alright, so now, okay, so now you gotta,
Like and
alright guys, make sure you
subscribe.
comment, like, subscribe, hit the notification,
I
and
was
put
gonna
it
say that.
on all.
No.
So you'll be notified of all the videos we make.
You be paying attention to too much YouTube. But you
watch
never
more.
watch.
I don't even watch YouTube. Well, barely.
Weird.
Now, we'll put this in the microwave for 5 minutes.
It smells real good.
So guys, if you're watching this video and if you want to do it, if you're like a little kid, make sure you have an adult with you. So yeah.
Parents supervise.
Milk. Pour a little, not a lot. So
Yeah.
then now we're just gonna pour it in there. And then here, you do one, I do one. Okay, only one. Alright. I guess now you're a part of the cake. Okay, so one more.
That's for you. Yeah.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna stir it. It kind of looks good. But although I really don't like whipped cream, so guys, this kind of might taste good to me.
But you hate whipped cream.
I know.
Do you even eat the whipped cream? Well,
No, I don't eat whipped cream.
You. Mommy, do you remember the space video we did?
Guys, if you want us to do more stuff like this, make sure you comment it down below. And
how many likes we gonna have on this video, Jim?
Let's get up to
100,000,200K.
Nah. Let's try to get up to 100,000 likes.
No, we gotta pass that one.
Shush.
Tell me your TikTok.
Make sure you follow our TikTok, JARAHTAI Gang, and Brochet, B.R.O.S.H.A. Yeah, so yeah. That's from the school.
And Katai Conwell.
That's from the school phone. Guys, we're gonna let that cool off. Now let's keep on stirring. Alright, so guys, we finished stirring. Looks fluffy. Would you guys like some icing?
Oh, guys.
Potatoes or grapes?
Have you ever seen like a cream, like fluffy? Like all that stuff you can
But
eat,
guys, we're gonna make
fluffy?
the best TikTok mud cake. But guys, while we're on this, let's check it.
No.
I hope we didn't burn it.
Why are you?
I just hope we didn't burn it. That's all.
If you can watch this on YouTube.
Ooh.
So we're gonna put that looks good. That actually looks like a whole cake. That's one.
What?
No.
Looks like
It looks
what?
like a whole cake.
Don't touch it.
I know, but it looks like a cake. No,
Oh,
why you burn me?
girl, actually.
No. I need a spot.
Lucky at.
No. That looks like.
My brain's telling me to touch it.
And we're gonna put this
I'm
in
fine,
there.
okay.
So I don't touch it.
Alright, guys, now we're gonna spread
Or
this.
you can burn yourself. You can burn yourself?
Okay, yeah, I was trying to get it in the middle.
It looks like a whole jelly.
Alright, so guys, we pulled the cake out. It's done. And now we just gotta finish icing it down. So, get it. Just follow these ingredients. It's way easier.
If you don't have any cream and you made a cake, all you have to do, Oreo cake, not Oreo cake, Oreo cream cake, Oreo cream.
No, it's a mud pie.
I know. You're gonna be like, I'm gonna put
Here.
the flag on this.
Get the. Okay.
Don't put it all on
Don't
one
spread
side.
it, dude. Don't spread it. Leave it.
Cause I don't. Why'd you put all this on one side?
Come on.
No, you're not.
Alright, here you go. So
Yay!
you can get a spoon and try it.
I want to spell something. I just
Let me
made
just grab it.
Just square up a little piece.
Where's that piece?
Right there.
Oh, I got the biggest piece.
Oh, the icing is really good.
Hmm? Mmm.
Ow. Okay, good. So I'm gonna try it.
So guys, I really don't like whipped cream, but this icing, like,
It's contained
delicious.
whipped cream.
You just spit on me. Stop.
I'm not even spitting.
Yes, you did. I don't care.
I just
Stop.
made a noise.
Well, is it good?
This is really hot.
Tell them it's good.
It's really good. This is how we roll. Oh, that's hot inside. So, wait, mommy.
Oh, that's hot. What's hot?
Oh,
That was
wait.
So guys, this is the part where we close the video. Guys, this was a big success. I'm really happy it did come out. But yeah, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and peace.
Would you like that?